Welcome back, Algebra 2 students. Today we will work on section 9.4, second day, and it will continue on Thursday as well. Okay, so today we'll talk about expanding and condensing expressions. Very similar to what we did with log base 10, but this is now ln base e. We'll talk about this more, but it's a little bit different, okay? Because before you did log, now we talk about ln. What is the difference? We'll talk about this later. So expand each logarithmic expression. Expand means you kind of make it bigger, right? So right now in parentheses I have x to the fourth times x to the second. It's multiplication. Okay, remember exponent rules? When we were multiplying, we were adding the exponents. So here is what you will do. This is equal to ln, okay, x to the fourth plus ln y to the second. Okay, because multiplication becomes addition. Okay, and then we can use the power rule. 4 goes in the front and then 2 goes in the front. So you get 4 ln x plus 2 ln y. Okay, and that is your final answer. So watch it a few times and you gotta get used to it. Question number 2. It's very similar, but now look at number 2. It's quotient, it's division, okay? Like in number 1, you had product, multiplication, so you were doing addition, okay? Now we have division, so we will subtract. If you're not sure what I mean by this, okay, go back to exponents rules. Remember when we did x cubed times x squared, you were doing x 2 plus 3 or 3 plus 2, and then when we did x6 over x2, you did x6 minus 2. That's what I'm talking about, okay? Division, subtraction, multiplication, addition. You gotta kind of memorize this. So this will be equal to ln x to the sixth minus ln x cubed. Now I can apply power rule. 6 goes in the front and 3 goes in the front. So I have 6 ln x minus 3 ln y. Sorry, it's supposed to be y, not x. Okay, and that is your answer. So take a minute or two on your own, okay, and pause this video and try question 3. And after you're done, play the video and see if you did it correctly. Okay? So question number 3. Again, multiplication, so we will extend it and make it addition. So you get ln 2 plus ln 11 plus ln 5 squared. Okay, and then if you ln2, ln 11, you can't do anything, so just rewrite it ln2 plus ln 11 plus 2 goes up front, so it will be 2 ln 5. Okay, so the 3 examples we did, you were basically expanding. And now in the second half of this video, we will talk about condensing. Condensing means, make it kind of smaller, like a narrower, squeeze it, condense, okay? So in question number 4, addition, okay, becomes multiplication. But before we do this, So now we are working opposite direction. And this 6 will go here. I'm talking about power rule. This 2 will go here. So I will get ln u to the 6th plus ln v to the 2nd. Okay, and now I can condense it and I can say addition becomes multiplication. So basically you will multiply them when you condense ln, okay, and I want to in parentheses u to the 6th times v to the 2nd, and that is your answer. Okay, take a minute on your own and please try example number 5. Okay, I know I didn't give you 1 minute, you gotta pause. I have to finish the videos in less than 15 minutes, otherwise I cannot download it on YouTube. Okay, so number 5. This becomes ln x to the 5th minus ln y to the 4th. Subtraction becomes division. Remember exponents rules? Where we are dividing, you are subtracting. So this is ln in parentheses x to the 5th over y to the 4th. Beautiful. Okay. And last question, question 6. Excuse me. Excuse me. So question 6. Ln a square minus ln b to the 5th. Subtraction becomes division when you change it, when you condense it. So you get ln a square over b to the 5th. So when you do your homework today, okay, the first part is what we learned on Tuesday, which is, kind of easier. This is a little more difficult, but, I have confidence you could do it. And tomorrow we'll talk about more word problems with investing money, compounded continuously. So that's why the formula will be A equals PE raised to RT power. Okay, so please watch it, take notes, do your homework, and you should be fine. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.